Hello everybody and welcome. So today I've got a really cool video for you. Our friends over at Corsair popped in and they brought us a K95 RGB mechanical keyboard and a Corsair t-shirt to give away to you guys. So there'll be 10 ways to enter. All the details will be in the description of this video. In the video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the keyboard to show you what it's like. I'm going to be using it on The Division, which is a game we've been playing a lot recently. So, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing.
Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. Got my trusty Stanley knife here. So, let's see. I'm going to open it from your side so you can see first what it looks like. Ooh, I mean, you can't really see that. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull this out and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we've got the keyboard itself there, and here, if I'm not mistaken, we have an armrest, which you can kind of see there. And then I think we have, yeah, there's just an instruction booklet in there as well, which is standard what you'd get with most keyboards and any peripheral really.
So this is what the keyboard looks like out of the box. I'm going to plug it into the PC and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's all lit up. So guys, this is what the keyboard looks like when it's straight out of the box. So as you can see, it's got a nice rainbow effect now, obviously taking advantage of the RGB color scheme. So I'm just going to give you a bit of information about the keyboard. So it's got a standard keyboard layout with the added number pad on the side. On the far left hand corner here we have the 18 macro keys, which is fantastic because on most mice you only find 12 macro keys. There is also the 3 settings buttons at the top. So the first setting will be a configuration what you've made, then the second setting will change again, and the third setting will change to a different one, although the second and the third is on the same one. There is a brightness button at the top, which if you click it once, it will put it on the 33% brightness. Then you press it again, 66%, and you press it again, and it's 100%. Also, there's a Windows lock button, so when this is on red, I can click the Windows key, and it will show up on the screen, and then when I click the blue icon, it won't show up. It's also got some media keys on the right hand side. There's a stop, rewind, pause and play and fast forward button. There's also a mute button for the audio and a volume adjuster at the top right hand side as well. It's got the nice Corsair logo on it. It's a really nice looking keyboard. Okay guys, so I'm stepping into The Division now, and I'm doing this because I want to test what it's like playing an actual game that's out at the minute. So from first kind of impressions, the keystrokes feel really nice, and I mean, I've had experience with mechanical keyboards in the past, but the feedback I'm getting from these brown switches is really nice. I mean, when I go to click, I feel the feedback, and it's really nice. It's a really nice feel to it. So what I've done specifically for The Division, because obviously this is a feature that comes with the software, which I said I would get into, which I still will. Basically, with the software, you can change the lighting scheme to whatever you want, basically. You can change the colours, you can change whatever you want. So what I've done is I've changed my keyboard so that the only keys lit up are the ones I need for in-game on The Division. So the white keys indicate the movements. So I've got WASD, Shift, Control, Space and M. I've classed M as the map, and that's technically movement because it's how you get around. The red keys are your... Guy's about to shoot me there. The red keys are your attacking kind of style keys, so you've got your grenade, your weapons and stuff like that. So it's good because you can have that customization. The green keys are just your inventory and stuff like that. So B opens your inventory, I opens your inventory as well, O opens your group management, and P opens your abilities, which is great because I think it's nice that you can see these. What I will do is I'll just show you a brief look of the actual software and how I did that. Okay, so basically how you use this software is, what it'll do is if you hold the control key and you click on any of the keys that you want to select, so I'm just going to do WASD for now, and then I click on this green or any of the colours down here, it will change the colours of the keys accordingly to what you want. So now that's saved on number 3. When I change to M1, it changes to my division. When I change to M2, it changes to the rainbow effect, and when I click M3, it changes to the WASD config that I've just made. So guys, I'll show you basically how the macro keys work. So basically, what the macro keys will allow me to do is I will be able to basically map any of these macro keys to any other key on the keyboard. So basically how I do that is I right click on the chosen macro key that I want to use, and I will click on remap key, and say if I want to change it to the P key because the P key is all the way on the other side of the keyboard, I just click on P, remap it, and then when I go into the division, as you can see now, I'm going to click this button, which is the first macro key, and it will then pull up my P tab, which is the same tab that would come up if I was to click on the P button itself. So guys, just to review, I just want to say that I absolutely love this keyboard. I think the mechanical keys are fantastic. I really like the Cherry MX Brown switches. They feel so responsive, and I think that's really a good thing. The RGB is actually a really nice feature. I mean, I've used chroma keyboards before, but this RGB style was fantastic. I loved the way I was able to map the keys to what I wanted, and it was great because I could do it in the division like I wanted to, where I could map them to all different colours, and it's great how I can just easily change it from one setting to the other, just like that. And I think it's fantastic. It's a really nice keyboard. So remember guys, you can win this keyboard and a t-shirt from us. All details are in the description. I mean, you know you want it, so go and follow all the details in the description and go and enter to win this amazing keyboard. The best of luck to all of you. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will speak to you in the next one.